I'm getting all.
Oh, camera's on. Shit. Okay.
Getting all pretty here. Jesus. Look at that. Well, at least something's pretty.
Yeah, I know, right?
Not you, but.
Fuck. I ain't been pretty since pretty was pretty. Okay, so we have one more screw to find.
Easy enough.
I dropped it.
It's in there.
And I'm just not in the mood. I've been dealing with this door all day to make it right. Everything's back lined up like it's supposed to be. It's nice and clean like it's supposed to be. Handle is actually bolted to the door like it's supposed to be.
Wow. Solid.
Yes, I have the one on this side. So my fix for the door panel worked. Thank God. Because the idiots I can't stress enough. I need to stop bashing on them morons. I mean, the people that had the car before the owner has it now, and us. So we're almost done. I got the sill plate ready to go on. I just got to put the screws in it. That'll be good.
We already covered that yesterday, though.
Yep, that one's done.
Look, AC box.
Yes, we've had a busy day today. I mean, it's been nickel and dime stuff, but it's lining everything up. Now I can start running wiring. Here, I'll go to that side. You stay on this side.
Okay, I'm gonna close this door if that's.
Yeah. I don't want to take any chances.
Fully close it.
So,
Oh, it's locked.
yeah.
Hey, that means.
See there. Go ahead, turn the knob.
The lock works.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Yeah,
now that this side is damn near done, and this is one more screw to put in to lock it into place.
And that bracket, little bracket right there.
Now I can do my wires.
Where they go.
Oh man, I broke a button.
Oh no.
Oh, the wall.
Ay.
Okay, so I can start routing this one to go up and over so that we can have our light. For here. Our alarm for here. So that'll be all taken care of. So I'm thinking.
Look at this. It's mounted. Like you said, it does need some little more hardware.
Yeah, I mean we still got more to do. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is a huge step in the right direction.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is. We gotta route ductwork.
And the ductwork
is super easy, isn't it?
I mean, I'm touching the bottom of the dash
Oh yeah, you're good.
for the cowl, which is super good.
Yeah, so that'll be nice and easy.
So that I can route here because that goes over here. This
Goes down into the corner back there.
it goes in the hole. Put it in the hole. And then we're good. But I didn't know how this was going to route as to how much room I'd have to have, and I didn't want to route it under because that's not where that one belongs. A little more carpet trimming for here, and it'll be back to factory on this side as best as I can get it.
Yeah, it'll look pretty damn good.
And then as soon as we get the boss to do the...
Oh God, quit ripping on me. I know. I know I gotta do them. I gotta run the wiring too.
Yeah.
And we gotta do 5,000 other cars at the same time.
Yep.
But
And this part comes in when?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, so I can finally
Finish
finish
that up
the
tomorrow.
horn. And I think the owner is getting us the factory steering wheel. I think. I know we discussed him changing it out because he doesn't like the one that came with the car. So it's one of those that it is what it is.
Yeah.
And it'll be so much easier to put the top of the steering wheel and everything back together with a proper steering wheel. And it goes better with the interior. It really does. I mean, that really doesn't fit it.
Yeah.
And I agree with the owner on him. It doesn't fit it. So I'll start cleaning up the inside, taking the tools out, get all the parts bagged up. And we can start on gauges.
Gauges and AC ductwork and.
Yep. Well, we can't do the AC duct. Well, we can, but we can't. Until more of, we've got to get that side of the dash together
gotta
first.
be in.
Yep, that's got to be in first.
And then the center.
Yep. And then we'll kind of work with the center a little bit. It's going to have to be like a door for the moment so we can route all the ductwork through everything. Put the one there. Then there's 2 here, 2 for the defrost, and then 1 over here and 1 here. So it's going to be a little bit to route everything and get it done, but it's a happening, people. It's a happening.
There it is.
So
the box is in.
And I haven't gotten any messages yet as to what people think I bought. The offer's still there. You're running out of time. I mean, I'm being 100% legit. It's on video. I gave everybody a deadline. If you think you know what I bought, put it in the comments. And if you're right, I'll show you that you're right. 100%. And you'll get one. Not the same, but you'll get one. So let me know, guys. Come on. On that note, we shall let you go.
Yay.